Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is very special to me and I'm super excited to be sharing it with you guys. Whenever I think of a DIY, I like to Google it to see if it's been done before and draw it out. I wanted the butterflies to look like they were changing colors going through the flags. I originally was going to put American, Mexican, and Filipino food patches, but I couldn't find patches for certain foods, which is okay because I think the butterflies look better. So my ethnicity is Mexican and Filipino, and my nationality is American. I used to get the two confused, but I taught myself that your nationality is the nation you're from, and your ethnicity is your ethnic background. I am very proud to be Mexican and Filipino, and I embrace both cultures with food and traditions, and I'm also proud to be American. I come from a big military family. My dad was in the Army, both my grandpas were in the Army and fought in World War II, and I also have relatives in the Navy and Marines. I really believe in being proud of your heritage, but also not to forget that we're all just, human. Okay, back to the DIY. I wanted to cut the names off of the flags because I thought they looked prettier without them, so I used a pair of big scissors to cut the names off and then a pair of smaller scissors to trim off the extra fabric. I then used a match to burn the edges together so they did not fray. Please be careful if you do this at home. I do not want you to burn yourselves. After removing the protective film on the back of the flags, I placed all the flags and the butterflies in the pattern I wanted them to be in and got them ready to iron. I made sure to put the flag right under the part of the jacket where the crease starts, and then I put a towel in between the patches and the iron. After everything had cooled down, I noticed that the flags weren't sticking as well as they should have, so I used some tacky glue and a brush to adhere the flags to the back of the jacket, making sure to only put glue on the edges of the flag because that's where it really needs it anyways. After I glued each flag down, I put something on top of it to weigh it down so it stayed in place while it dried, and I let it dry for 24 hours and then the jacket was ready to wear. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my content and you are a proud Mexican, Filipino, American, or proud human being, please like this video, share with everyone you know, subscribe if you're not already, and if you do recreate this, please tag me because I would love to see any recreations, and no two jackets will be the exact same, which is really cool. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, or ideas for DIY, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Have a great week and I will see you guys next time.